Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. And we're going to do a plan with me for the week of July 6th through the 12th. I am pre-filming these, so they are mostly just a setup. I'm not going to really know a lot of the plans that are happening, but at least get the base down. And then when I come back from vacation, I'll either film or I'll show you, like I'll flip through these when I do one of the other weeks. So this is my it's my last full week at my parents' house in Wisconsin. So I will be coming back to Colorado in the middle of this following week. And I don't think I'm going to pre-film this one. I think I'll film this when I get back, just so that I don't have so many like pre-filmed videos. Plus, I don't know which kit to use for this week. So I think I'm going to skip that one until I get back. But this one, I'm going to use this beautiful kit from DutchGirlsDesign. I can't remember what it's called. Let's see. Homebound. This is the neutral homebound mini kit. And I do have a discount code for her shop. It is Tiger20. You will get this, plus you will get a freebie, and sorry, you will get this. You don't get the kit with my code. You get 20% off with my code, and then you will get a freebie, which I don't have to show you, but I can try to put a picture of it on the screen, maybe. So you get date numbers, and then a matching weekly checklist, and then the different script things here. You get glitter headers. This one also has a choice for a bow header, which is really fun. And then you get 8 full boxes. So we have the like cleaning stuff. The quote I love, it says, "Home is a shelter from storms, all sorts of storms." You have the double box home scene, the bow box, kind of her holding a mug, and then this little like lingerie face mask wine time, a weekly checklist, and then she started doing shapes on the bottom of her mini kits, which I am in love with. We have this beautiful bottom washi and the date covers that match, and then some other functional stuff. This page has boxes and some headers, bill dues, things like that, habit trackers. And then we have a random selection of things on here. It always changes as far as what the deco is, what you have, that kind of thing. So this page changes a lot in her kits, but I love it nonetheless. And Weekend Banner and stuff is on there. So I'm just going to get started. We will use silver foil with this kit, but I have not pulled any foil out yet, because I've done a lot of videos and that would have been a lot of foil to pull. I also am not sure I really know literally anything for this plan with me. Some of them I know, like some stuff going on, but this one, this like week just in the middle, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to white out because this washi is pretty light. Eek. My planner is getting lumpy, I can tell. So we will just white out all of that. And I think her washi is slightly thinner than some shops, so you do have room either to leave some white space, or if you wanted to put a 5mm or even maybe a 10mm washi, you could cut it and then add like a simply gilded washi or whatever with it. But you can see I do have some room versus like the Scribble Prints Co. in the same layered, like put down in the same spot. There's definitely only a little tiny bit. This one has a slightly more room. So take that for what you will as far as like what you put down for washi. I don't care either way. Like I'll make washi work no matter what. I feel like it's not that big of a deal, but some people want to know these things, I think. So here I am to tell you. Oops. So yes, I love her shop. I feel like she does things differently than other shops do, and just has some unique products. She has like script words that have like Scrabble tile lettering or like Ray Dunn lettering. You can get scripts. She's starting to do scripts on clear, which I know a lot of people like. It's like a clear matte paper. I don't necessarily have one to show you, but I mean, I do, but just not out. A clear matte paper, and then, I don't know, I love her shop. So, go check out Dutch Girls Design, and super, super affordable, especially with additional 20% off. Like, I can't even, it's unreal, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna use the quote box up here because it's perfection. I love it. And this is definitely not like a summery kit, but you know, like, I needed to use one of these home type kits while it was still applicable, like the hand sanitizer, the disinfecting wipes. Like, that stuff is going to kind of go away as far as like why we have a kit with that in it. So I just wanted to use it while I had it. I don't know if I want to I think maybe I'll try the bow headers. And these bow headers, like, it's just a pattern, so it's not like a bow straight across, which I kind of actually really love. But it's slightly different than a normal bow header. I think I'll use these. So we have our 2 habit trackers for vitamins and skincare as always. And then I will have a schedule. And again, I will have pre-filmed videos, so the schedule will be up, but I like it for kind of memory sake as far as what was I doing that week. And then I love, love, love her cleaning checklist, which comes on the little, like, this little sheet. But I'm going to be at my parents' house, so that's not necessarily going to apply for me right now. But I do get these on my freebie as well. I put a pink one on my freebie because I love them. So, yep, totally did that. Okay, I don't need the to-do list. I really don't know what I'm going to put over here. I really like this charcoal gray header with the sidebar color, so that's really pretty. I don't know, you guys. I do not know. I think I'm just gonna leave it blank for now. I might put a half box and then leave the July there. Like, I never ever do that, but like, I'm not gonna need a checklist. I could put like a little one of these guys in. That actually might be cute. Okay, let's do, and then the July. Like, that's gonna be so weird because I never leave the monthly calendar there, but I literally don't know what else I would put in here. Okay, we can put the come in and cozy up, and maybe the little like post-it note looking thing. I think I might want the white one. Yeah. Okay, we'll do the white one there. We'll do the come in and cozy up here. I'm not going to press it all the way down, although it's probably going to get pressed down. We're just going to leave it like that for now. If I figure out something better to do with this space, or if I have like a half box left over, I might change that. But I would normally put a second checklist for dinners or a full box. Her full kits have tons of full boxes, but the mini kit only have 8. Or I would normally put the weekly checklist, but I just don't need it. So that's tricky. Okay, so then I need to figure out what I'm doing with the rest of my colors and my boxes here. So I definitely want to bring in as much green as possible because I love it. But there are really not a lot of boxes that have the green in it. So I think I'll scatter it. I think I'm going to do the green above all of the full boxes. And I think I'll scatter my full boxes so that they end up in random places. Yeah. We'll do this on the weekend. Yeah. Okay. So let's do this one Monday. This is so pretty. I'm in love with this beautiful kit. I love the charcoal grays and this minty color together, and then everything else is so soft and either light gray or white. Like, it's just so pretty. I love that she gives you 8 of every color header, because then you can use them for washi, or I could have color blocked and used one in the sidebar. That's like one of my favorite things, but this time I just chose not to because I wanted to get green across the whole spread, so I didn't do that. And we do have a green weekend banner, which I'm also in love with. It's just this shade, like, oh, it's so perfect. So I'm gonna put this, whoops, well, I mean, it was pretty close to where I wanted it anyways. I maybe just wanted it over to the right a smidge more. All right, so let's see here. What are we on, the 6th through the 11th? Ooh, that's 7. I put that really high. I wonder if I can lift that. The 11th, I have a glam planner bill due. I do know that much. We'll put it down here. If I keep my sub. If I don't, then I don't have it, but that's no big deal. I don't know anything, you guys. I know nothing, but I do want to put in some full box overlays, I think. Not on this double box, but some of these I feel like could use like an outline of some sort, because not that they're plain, but like that they just lend themselves very nicely to a full box overlay. So we'll do 2 of these that have the like outline to them. Okay, I just had a heck of a time with those layer tapes. Like, this one has a bubble in it. This one has a bubble. I ruined 2 from this set to try to get that one off. I ruined 1 from this set trying to get that one off. I think that one I hadn't started the roll yet, though. This one, the Girl Boss Anna ones, they're not the same as Rose Colored Days, you guys, I'm telling you. And then, like I said, I'm going to leave these 2 boxes alone. I just wanted some shine around some of these that are they just lend themselves to being framed, I guess is the word. But I don't know anything else besides that one bill due. Like, I'm not going to know anything that's going on this week until it actually happens. But I think this is so pretty. And like I said, I will show you this when I get back, or I will plan this when I get back. So weird that I have this July box. Like I said, if I end up needing like a half box or something, but I don't think I will. I think it's going to stay the July monthly, and I hate those monthlies, and that's just weird to me, but I don't know. It is what it is. I could stack up on here I guess I could stack this up because these are individual washi strips, but I could stack them and put that there. But then I'd still have a little bit of room left. So for now, I'm just leaving it. And that is that. But this is Dutch Girls Design. It is super, super beautiful. Again, this is the Neutral Homebound Mini Kit. The full kit will have extra full boxes and things, full heart checklist, stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know, but go check her out. Her link will be, it's always in like the chunk of things down below. And my coupon code, the reminder for my coupon code is down there as well, but it is Tiger20. Okay, I think that's it for me today because that was a lot of nonsense just getting foiled down. The only thing I'm going to do off camera is put in a vitamins and a skincare, but you guys don't need to watch that because that's silly. All right, that's it for me for today. I will see you guys when I'm back from vacation. Have a good one. Bye.